Black Lives Matter, Artistic Activism in Visual Arts. Today is the first class of our Black Lives Matter unit. We will learn how artists use art as activism. The Black Lives Matter movement is an international activist movement that campaigns against harm and racism towards Black people. Racism is a problem to be solved by all people. All lives can't matter until Black lives matter too. Artistic activism is a practice of combining the creative power of the arts to move people emotionally with a strategic plan of activism necessary to bring about social change. Essential question: how can we use art as a tool for activism in support of the Black Lives Matter movement? Using art as a form of activism. When art moves people emotionally, provides a new perspective and new ways to envision our world, it has the potential to spark social change. Throughout this unit, as we view artwork by famous Black artistic activists, think, what new perspective is the artist showing us? How is the artist using art as a form of activism? Look closely at the artwork. What do you see? What does it make you think? How does it make you feel? What does it make you wonder? Faith Ringgold is best known for her story quilts. A story quilt is a sewn fabric quilt that is painted on. The story quilt has pictures, designs, and even text that tells a story. This story quilt is called Flag Story Quilt. Ringgold creates a quilt which at first glance appears to be the image of the American flag. But after looking closely, you will notice there's tie-dye fabric, 50 white heads to make a statement about who is valued in America, a story written within the white stripes. The narrative tells the story of a Black soldier hero who experiences racism. How is the artist using the art as a form of activism? What new perspectives is the artist showing us? Faith Ringgold, art activist. In 1970, Ringgold helped organize the People's Flag Show in New York. The exhibit included over 100 works of art inspired by the American flag. Some of Ringgold's flag quilts still told stories of racism, and others told stories of strong, positive Black role models. By putting these stories in the flag, Ringgold is making a strong statement about the problem of racism. Here are more examples of Faith Ringgold's flag show. What flags do we know? What do they symbolize? The Black Liberation flag symbolizes freedom. Each color represents a different idea or symbol. The Pride flag symbolizes LGBTQ+ pride. The colors on the stripes also have different meaning. The American flag also has meaning in each of its stripes, colors, and symbols. Imagine a Black Lives Matters movement flag that stands for inclusion, equity, peace, and justice for all people. Everything that the Black Lives Matter movement is striving for. We are going to practice drawing symbols for our Black Lives Matter flag this week. This video has many symbols to practice drawing. You're going to need materials. They are a sketchbook or blank paper and a pencil. Think about what symbols you would include in your Black Lives Matter flag. A symbol is a picture or icon that stands for an idea. Without using text, which are words, how can you give your flag meaning? Example, there are 50 stars which represent 50 states. Practice drawing a variety of symbols and learn their meaning, and post your sketches on Google Classroom. I can't wait to see what you create.